All right, Dr. Moore here at Restore. I'm using a new meniscus fixation device. It's from Smith & Nephew. It's called the Fast Fix Flex. It's called the Fast Fix Flex because number one, it's fast, and number two, it flexes. So we're able to change the angle of trajectory of this device by using the little bender right here. Insert it into the bender right there, bottom it out, bend the tip. It's malleable. It's a malleable tip. That's something that's very different compared to other companies or even from their own company. This is a new model. So there you go. See, I bent the tip a little bit, but I want a little bit more. So then I place it into that part of the bender and just add a little bit more. Not a lot, just enough so that I can get around to the area where my meniscus is torn. So then I take this device. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. There we go, and we'll show you what it looks like in the knee, okay? Thanks. Dr. Moore showing you a meniscus repair. I just used the Smith & Nephew Flex so that I can get into this little corner right over here and over here. So I did a meniscus repair, 1, 2, 3, 4 sutures, 2 of them underneath, and I just placed that one right there, pressing the meniscus up against the bleeding capsule. But just wanted to show you that new device, the Smith & Nephew Flex device. You guys take care, and thank you so much for watching.